Something extraordinary has just happened in modern aviation, a breakthrough that could change the balance of air power forever. A new unmanned fighter jet has done something no drone has ever achieved in history, and the entire defense world is watching closely. In today's video, we are going to uncover what really happened in this test, why it matters, and how this single moment may reshape the future of air combat. If you enjoyed defense analysis, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Defense Affairs 24. Just a day ago, Turkey's Baykar Kızılelma made aviation history. During a live test over the Black Sea, this jet-powered unmanned fighter successfully fired a beyond visual range air-to-air missile and destroyed a jet-powered aerial target. This wasn't a simulated test, not a dummy missile drop, not a controlled lab experiment. It was a real, live BVR engagement carried out by an unmanned combat jet, the first time this has ever happened in the world. Kızılelma used its onboard Murad radar to detect the incoming first target, track it, lock into it, and guide the missile with complete precision. The missile used in the test was Turkey's own Gugdagon, a modern active radar-guided BVR air-to-air missile designed for long-range engagements. The combination of real-time target tracking, autonomous fire control, and a successful BVR hit proves that Kızılelma is no longer just a prototype. It is now a combat-credible unmanned fighter jet. This test matters for several reasons. First unmanned fighter to perform a real BVR kill. No UAV from the US, China, Russia, Europe, or Australia has yet achieved a confirmed BVR missile strike against a jet-powered target. Kızılelma is the first unmanned platform to do it. This gives Turkey's total independence in unmanned air combat capability. UAVs enter real air-to-air combat. Drones have been used for bombing and surveillance for decades, but never for true fighter jet missions. With this, drones can now defend airspace, intercept enemy aircraft, support manned fighters, operate inside contested zones. The air combat environment will never be the same. Kızılelma is not a traditional drone. It is a jet-powered unmanned fighter aircraft designed for mission normally reserved for manned jets. It features stealth-inspired design, advanced jet propulsion, internal and external weapon capability, modern SR radar, high endurance and high speed. It can perform interception, air defense patrols, escort missions, and offensive air superiority rules. Its design allows it to operate as either a stand-alone unmanned fighter or a loyal wingman alongside manned aircraft. This BVR test proves that its systems are not only operational, they are effective under real combat-like conditions. Welcome to Defense Affairs 24, where we decode the future of global military technology. If you love defense content, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for in-depth military comparison and analysis.